Marble flooring pros and cons, all you need to know. Dear friends, marble has been a popular building material since before the ancient Grecian times, as that is when marble was first used in construction. While it may have been the material of choice for kings and queens, it now can be incorporated into any household. It can be used as countertops, wall tiles, and flooring. Marble flooring offers an instant elevation of appearance. If you are considering installing marble floors, here's what you need to know. Marble flooring pros. 1. Unique style. If there is one thing that marble flooring has above all others, it is elegance. It immediately makes a room seem more upscale. There just is nothing that can duplicate real stone, because you can never have a repeat. No two marble tiles are exactly the same. 2. Floor polish. Polished marble is very smooth and shiny and is an extremely attractive look. It reflects light and can give the illusion that it is translucent. A polished finish also brings out the colors in marble. The darker marbles like Nero Marchino or Bardiglio allow light to glimmer on its surface and look dramatically elegant. Light-colored marble like Carrara or Calacatta is clean and classic and will be aesthetically relevant for years to come. 3. Natural material. Marble is quarried around the world in mountainous regions. It is a natural metamorphic rock formed under heat and pressure. This gives marble its usually wavy and or vein patterns. Marble is 100% natural and earth-made. If you prefer natural over synthetic materials, this is the way to go. 4. Flooring maintenance. Routine maintenance is pretty simple. Sweep and use a damp mop, similar to ceramic tile flooring. However, be careful to use cleaners that are safe for marbles. Use a cleanser that is not too acidic, and not too alkaline. You will need to periodically reseal your stone. This is not difficult to do. If water does not lay on the surface of the stone like a newly waxed car, it's time to reseal. 5. Radiant heat. If you are looking for radiant heat on your floors, marble is a great choice. Because marble is a great conductor of heat, it is ideal for radiant heating systems, which is the best way to combat having a cold floor. Marble flooring cons. 1. Marble installation. Marble tile is more difficult to install than porcelain tile, so a DIY installation can be tricky. Some marble is brittle or may require an epoxy mortar to install. So, if you aren't familiar with installing it, you may want to consult a professional. Also, proper prep for the subfloor is crucial. Many people choose to leave it to the pros for these reasons. 2. Marble cost. The cost of marble tiles varies depending on the type, but generally, they are more expensive than porcelain tiles. But the benefit is that you have a unique and beautiful project that will be much less trendy than many ceramic tiles. Marble has a timeless quality to it. 3. Repair work. Marble is softer than porcelain tile and can be scratched or chipped. But, marble can be resurfaced and repolished, similar to wood flooring, and be made to look new again. Since marble is a natural stone, it goes all the way through, so the face can be repaired over and over again. Deep stains, however, may require more finesse to clean and eradicate. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.